Khasi girl loved a Manipuri boy. One rainy night she gave him her heart. He walked away. Years later, the rain brought her back. He sat alone beside the rain. Her name kept falling once again. Then came a call so soft and clear. It's me, Suzi, are you here? Come and see me just tonight. Her trembling voice held hope so bright. He closed his eyes and softly sighed, I'll come. He quietly replied. She was just a young girl, beautiful and lovely. Her young heart beat only for you, dreaming forever by your side. When Suzi cried, the rain cried too. She gave her heart, her love was true. She wished to spend her life with him, to love him till the end of time. She stood beneath the falling rain, waiting there through hope and pain. She held him close and whispered low, I've always loved you, don't let go. He turned away, afraid inside. Let's just be friends, was his reply. Her tears fell softly with the rain. He never